The next part of our dates and times exercise is working with a really useful function or command called undo and redo. Now most of you know where the undo and redo button is on the auto quick access toolbar. You've got your undo and your redo, but let's look a little bit further into this little command. So let's say, for example, I am going to accidentally delete a whole bunch of data in my sheet, and I'm going to give it a blue fill and a red font, and then I'm going to go and type in some information. Now this is obviously an accident. We didn't want to do this, so we can undo everything. But because I've created a few steps here, if I undo, I can either push this button, or you will notice I have an undo shortcut, which is Control Z. The other way is if I want to undo a couple of steps, is there's a little drop down next to the undo button, which will actually take me through a whole bunch of steps that allow me to undo. But it's very difficult to actually check exactly what is what. So it's not such a great idea to use that drop down arrow. Rather, use your Control Z to undo and you can keep doing it, or what you can do is use your Control Y to redo. And that way it's easier to control and see exactly what's happening in front of you as you undo and redo data.